Well, welcome back everybody to Bear's Rod Shop for March the 23rd. And we got all the wiring finished up, completed on Saturday. Did a little buttoning up on Sunday, redid that box up there. I didn't like the way the wires were getting too close to the box. But today, we're going to go over real quick. It'll be a short video. This is the lid off the LeBlond 17. And as I said on one of the videos, I want to take a good look down inside this unit, and very, very pleased with it. I should ask we've got a little glare coming in here off this window blind. We'll have to apologize for that, but should have asked the gentleman I bought it from. He had already serviced this prior to me getting it. It's spotless in here. It already had the new 30 weight non-detergent oil to meet LeBlond older spec, and we do have a little chipping. He told me about this gear. It's a little hard. You can see right here on the edge, little chipping going here. It makes very little racket, but that's in its low gear, and very, very pleased. Wanted to share this with you. That's the original, as far as I know, LeBlond Oxy, primer, and very pristine. Went down into the bottom of the case. I did go ahead and finish draining it. Caught all the oil, no metal shavings, spotless in the bottom, and run a chaser tail rag down in there on a long dowel rod. Wiped the whole bottom to make sure I didn't have any metal, and a magnet, and everything pristine. We'll be redoing this gasket, the lid back on today, and getting ready to turn some parts for Alan on his Corvette. Going to turn the rotors and clean them up. And but anyhow, just wanted to share this beautiful LeBlond 17. Visiting and looking at some of Keith Rucker's videos that he's got on that 17. What an awesome job. He's fully detailed on his videos on the rebuild of that 17, I believe in 2016. So I'm going to be picking his brain a little bit on this. I have not turned any chips on it yet. May remember back when we was doing the Corvette wet and sand. I'm going to end up building a real nice catch pan underneath it, but for right now, as being an older machine, she's going to drip some oil here and there, and don't want it on this new painted floor, but this is just a temporary. So on the Corvette this week, and got all the calipers off, redoing the pistons on those, and Mr. Allen and I will be back here again Saturday. Got all the wheels off, and let me go over here. This is going to be a mixed bag today, but very shocked. Already had brand new emergency brake pads put in, and that has new rotors, but they got surface rust from humidity, probably from this shop. And this one here, I'm going to take and clean that pan and paint all the calipers. So we're busy back in the shop again. Did get the wiring all done on the wrong Fu 30, and getting ready to mount this box, controller box here on a swivel arm, and that way I can swivel it over, I can cover it up at night, and I'm not real pleased with this height on this, so I'm going to probably extend this on up, but I'd like to be able to swing this box. Going to change up the quill feed handle, put a crank on it, and then of course it will get powered on the Z-axis for the quill. But been a real productive weekend, and yes, got everything kind of organized. It's going to stay this way. The deal about being a hoarder, I am still throwing away. Haven't sold a little South Bend 9. It may just end up staying here in this corner. I don't really need it. So anybody needs a South Bend 9C, please send some comments down below. Comes with a lot of tooling, and don't absolutely, now that have the 17, I don't need 2 lathes in here in this small shop. So please, to you subscribers, thank you, and you viewers, send me your comments, and please share, and come back and visit Bear's Rod Shop. Thank you.